Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your voice in TikTok. So there is a feature in TikTok called voice filter where you can change your voice in a video. So here you can just click on a plus icon to open the TikTok camera, and after that here you can directly take a video, or you can also upload a video from your gallery. For example, here, so I want to upload this video and want to change the voice. You can just click on next, and here go to the TikTok video editor by clicking on this edit options on the right panel. And here you can just click on the video at the timeline and swipe until you find this voice effect. Click on that, and here you can just select the the voice effect that you want to apply to your videos. For example, let's try this one right here. Just wait until it applies to your videos.
What is a dad quality that you've proudly
Okay,
taken
so
on
you
that
can
makes
see
you
that the voice is changed. You can just select the one that you want, and after that, after you finish,
What is a dad quality that you've proudly
you can just close it, click on next, then you can upload your videos. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.